Up from thence unto Bethel, and he was going up by the way. There came forth little children out the city and mocked him, and they said unto him, Go up thou, bald head, go up thou, bald head. And he turned back and looked upon them and cursed them in the name of the Lord. And then came forth 2 she-bears out the wood, and tare 42 children of them. And he went from thence to Mount Carmel, and he thence returned to Samaria. Lions do not concern themselves with the opinions of sheep.
Did you break that?
Bro, what the fuck you doing here? Get him, Blake. Get your leg.
Leonard, are you fucking kidding me, man? Jesus Christ.
I don't know where the stink's coming from.
You don't know where the stink's coming from? Probably full of shit everywhere, you fucking... Holy fuck. I think this place is worse than Jason. Leonard, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm definitely not taking this shit in there. Oh my god.
What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
Mother,
Log off your gambling site and vacate the living room.
Fuck you, bish, I gots to gamble.
I need to do my Godot-centered internet show.
But nobody watches your gay little internet show.
Mother, you leave me no choice. Nobody messes with my gay little internet show.
All right. Is everybody ready for the fucking winter storm, dude? Everybody ready for the storm of the century? It's going to wipe out half of, apparently, the eastern coast. So, I got my fucking camo shiesty ready. I got 2 layers going. I got my propane heater ready. I'm deep in the suburbs, so it should be, you know, a very trying time out here. If I lose power, I'll have to cook ramen on a portable stove inside with my propane heater. I won't be able to watch stuff. I'll have to watch DVDs on my old laptop. Man, what a terrible fate. Anyway, we are here today to do some Godot. Let me get the... There we go. Get some dance music going. Hopefully that's not too loud. The worm apparently likes it. Let me just double check that everything is running. Alright, we're looking good. Alright. So, I think the first thing I want to do is I gotta add some type of start menu here. You know, and I could just put it on the player. Oh, we already have a start menu. What does that even fucking look like? Let's go to 2D. So it's just a transparent thing. Let's turn off the intermission screen and turn on the start menu. Awesome. Cool. So I was making, like, I guess the start of it. And yeah, so the idea of this game is that you will be, like, inside of a computer terminal, which is forcing you to go through these simulations and fight these enemies. So they're not all, you know, they're not actually real. They're like computer simulations. That's the idea of the game. So I have some shaders and stuff that I want to, like, have objects fade in and out with, like, this weird matrix shader. We're going to do that, and I don't know, I'm just kind of rambling off ideas. The pause menu, I guess, fuck it, we'll just go ahead and put that in there. So all we need to do is, on the player, I'm just going to do it right here. If input dot is action just pressed, and we'll just do start menu, start menu. Then we will, I guess we'll pause everything and just display the start menu. Yeah, we want to put this to process when paused, just this node, and then the UI, when does that process? Inherit, awesome. Do you make this with a team, or is this like a side project? I'm making it with Kibble Bites. You see him on the stream sometimes. But yeah, I don't really have, like,
a team or anything. Honestly, I'm kind of going at a really slow pace, so I think any team would be kind of frustrated with me. So it's very lax, like what I'm doing. I'm more of just kind of like coding this as a side project, but I'm leaving my job soon to look for other work, so I'll have more time to work on it. So yeah, basically some type of side project. Some type of retarded side project that's probably never going to make me any money, but I'm going to pretend like it is. I'm going to pretend like I'm a big shot right here. See, I've got my camo shiesty and my really cheap headset, so you know I'm like a big shot. Smart guy. Tech genius. You see how my teeth are pointing in all different directions? That's a smile you can trust, okay? What are we going to do? All I want to do is bring up the start menu. You know, don't we have, like, states on the camera holder? Does that even matter? I don't think it even matters. That's just for looking around. Awesome. So, all we got to do is hide some stuff on the camera. So, we're just going to do start menu. I guess we'll start by making sure that's displayed. And I'll go back in here like when I'm not streaming, and I'll make these into proper variables and stuff. You know, that way they're not just all get nodes. But when I'm just doing stuff like that, I like to do it. Is the Morrowind game still in progress? Yeah, I had a problem with that Linux computer, and I just recovered it, so I'm probably going to stream that soon. Maybe tomorrow or something. But yeah, I had like a big issue. All the files on it were just like inaccessible for a while, but I finally fixed it. It was a problem with the kernel, and I don't really understand a lot about Linux, so I was like very. I thought like the kernel, if you use a different kernel, it's just like using a different like part at runtime. It doesn't really affect the other files, but I thought it did, so I was like super reluctant to switch the kernel. And for whatever reason, I was using Wine on an application, and it fucked up that specific kernel. And now I can't use the old one, but I can downgrade and use the previous version's kernel, and I'm all good. So, big brained. We're going to probably work on that at some point. Because if I had lost that, I'd have been too depressed to... I would have just quit game development. I would have become a carpenter. I've lost big projects like that I've worked on before because I was stupid and didn't back up any files, and then you're just like, shit, man. And then we also need to say, git tree pause equals true. This is loud as fuck. Alright, and we're gonna skip this one. Hopefully the music is not too loud. I don't know. It's very hard for me to gauge that. This is like a random playlist. Alright. Alright, this sucks. What do we got? Let's go back to my moody, edgy, awesome playlist. Yeah, we're cool now. All right. Fuck. Did you change your name, Sewer Slide Wank? I feel like, didn't you have a name that was like, everything is quiet as fuck, to be honest. Okay, awesome. Perfect, because it's like super loud in my ear. There you go, now you can hear what I'm hearing. The shitty fucking artless music. Alright. Smells like burning in my house. That's why I'm like looking around. I think it's just the AC. I'm pretty sure the AC is just burning off all that shit. I'm also like right in front of a vent. I was shadow banned for my last name. What was your last name? My comments were hidden everywhere for it. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty sure after I started posting really negative stuff on people's timelines, they just hide my comments. There was this one woman who kept posting, like, she was trying to be an influencer. She was like extremely obese, and she would just be like opening a bag of chips in like, you know, in like a bikini, and it would be like, when you just need chips at the beach. And I would comment on it just like fat, or like, you should feel shame, or something like that. And I think they shadow banned all my comments after that. You know, I don't know. That just really pissed me off. Just the just the consumeristic nature of her, just like eating chips at the beach and then wanting to get paid for it. I was like, yes, you do deserve to be shamed a little bit. All right. What the fuck are we doing? So if we press the start menu, we're going to make that visible. I guess we're gonna have to make the other ones invisible. We're pausing everything. So the main UI, is that just what displays that shit? So yeah, we're gonna hide the main UI as well. Oh, I'll ask, I don't know if you have a opinion on the Turkey Tom situation there, Sewer Slide Wank. It seems like it might be something that might be up your alley. I was watching Mad at the Internet yesterday, and I was thinking Josh might be simping a little bit for those women. Not that I like Turkey Tom or anything, but Null was kind of like treating them as if they were like upstanding, reputable people, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just too jaded. But then again, these people are like way younger than me. I'm like 30 years old. I'm thinking like with my 30-year-old brain, and they're like 20-something. So I'm like, yeah, I probably could see them doing stupid shit at that age. Alright, what am I trying to do? Oh, this one's gonna be false. Nice. So we gotta add in that too. Project settings. Input map. Start. Menu. What am I fucking doing? Add new action. No clue yet. I'll just see casino clips when it comes out. Yeah. Yeah, I just listen to it at work. It's more fun than like politics or anything. I think I'm just gonna do, I probably used escape for something already. I'm gonna use backspace for right now. Actually, no, I'm not gonna use backspace. That's stupid. I guess we'll use escape. Hold on, let me check real quick. Control F. What is it? UI. It's like UI escape. So if I see that somewhere, no, I don't think so. I don't think we're using it anyway. Yeah, I think we're good. All right, we're gonna use the escape button. That makes sense. Start menu. Escape. What the fuck? Latest stick stuff was great. Yeah, the stick segments, perfect. I want to add him into the lolcow video game. I am still working on that. I did a stream the other day, and Sticks is so perfect for like a blood mage. I want to have him like pulling a tampon out of the trash, then like drawing a circle. Because he's like, the fucking shit was retarded, dude. Sticks is like never disappoints with his like insanity. His tampon blood magic to Hex's old girlfriend is probably like, you know, that's peak like lolcow internet bullshit. You have the same desktop layout as a 70-year-old man? What are you fucking talking about? Look at this. You got everything you need on here. I don't know what half these things are. I wish you could see the other. There's 2 more screens. There's 2 more screens full of bullshit, by the way. I got the game 25 to life. Alright, I got good shit on here. That's not true, by the way. It's not true. What are we gonna do? Escape. Are you really gonna crash on me again? You fucking cocksucker. Alright. We clearly can't handle the escape button. Probably because of all my desktop icons. Dude, what the fuck? Input map. We're just gonna go keyboard keys. Escape. Okay, there we go. None of them. This is my business computer. This is what I use for business. Very important stuff on here. I'm not some degenerate. Alright, let's try that. I should disable this one. And show this. Yeah, none of them. This isn't what is it? This isn't review text computer or whatever. Shout out to whoever that Lackery sicko is. I have no idea what you're talking about. Lacari? That sounds like a fucking Pokemon. In case you didn't get the reference. No, I didn't get the reference. Alright, what am I trying to do here? Alright, let's just see what we have. I haven't even showed it off this stream. Alright, hold on. Let's pause this stupid music. We put some music in there. It's probably super loud, but we're going to play it anyway. I found it on, what do you call it? Open Game Art. So I don't want that visible, actually. We're going to turn that down. Let's go to level 1. Turn down the volume on that. That's more reasonable for me right now. Yeah, and so if I go back to the 3D, there we go. Let's turn that shit back on. All right, now let's see what we have. Oh, that's right. We need to go to the player and turn off the start menu. Okay. Is it not going to play? Oh, I bet I disabled it. Intermission screen. Yeah, I guess, whatever. Fuck it. We'll try it. There we go. The bubbles shouldn't be coming up into the sky. It's also probably way too dark. Oh man, he was a Twitch streamer that leaked his oh, that's really funny. Yeah, so I have these look-ats now that I can look to, and I just need to like adjust where they're at and change the direction of where they're like focused. And I have a few more loops we can use, like ocean themes. All stolen from Open Game Art, but they're all CCO, so it doesn't really fucking matter. I can do whatever I want with them. They're in the back of my van now. Yeah, perfect. And I also need to like transition. I'm gonna add some more stuff here. We need to transition all stolen and all shit. Oh yeah. Let's see your video game, boy. Oh man. We need to transition better with the camera when moving from enemy to look at. All right. Perfect. Nice. What else do we need to do? Yeah, I guess we'll just start with that. So I'm going to go back here. We got this look around. I'm going to create a couple more of these. I think I'm just going to go into one viewport. Taking notes on Notepad is so real. Yeah, I'm one of the realest there ever was. Probably the realest. Alright, display unshaded. There we fucking go. Like, why is it so fucking dark all the fucking time? It's like a fucking 9 Inch Nails concert. You're gonna try and release a boomer shooter on Steam soon? Awesome. That'll be pretty cool. Yeah, I'm leaving my my job after next week, so I'll have more time to work on shit. I'm gonna go get another CNC job that's not an hour away, so I'm not driving so fucking much every day. Okay, so we have these right here. Oh my god. Here's the thing. Why are these like... Just make them a little bit more fucking transparent so I can actually see this shit. For fuck's sake. Alright. Yeah, so I gotta place a few more of these. Hold on, let's turn back on the other shitty music. There we go. There we go. Now we're all chilled out. Okay, so... Let's just do another one of these. So the marker 3D, like this thing is what we're going to be looking at, and then this is what starts us to look at it. So all I need to do is grab my area 3D and move that to like the beginning, and then I can control what we're looking at. So I'm just going to put one pretty much at the very start. Yeah, we'll do it like right there, and let's grab that. Oh shit. I didn't think about that. I have to move this first and then select where that's gonna be. That's kind of a major fucking retardation right there. That's okay. That'll be fine. Whatever. We're gonna look in this general direction, and we're gonna move our area 3D back. I'm completely retarded. We probably should fix that. And then I think you'll see what I mean. So once we hit that, we'll be locked in and I can't move around and look at shit anymore. And it should like spin my guy around. So there we go. This looks better. And then I'll probably put like another one right here to make you look somewhere else. Probably make you focus on the centipede, and then when you get here, it won't be so, you know, drastic. And then we'll move that one over here to look at that, so you'll be facing this direction. But yeah, I kind of like the way that looks. I shouldn't have done it this way. That was really, really stupid. But you know what? It's already done. And I could actually fix it pretty easy, right? I would just have to add a parent and then... whatever, fuck it. I don't give a shit. We're going to make another one. We're going to duplicate it. You know, I don't need to improve on greatness, so I'm not too worried about it, really. Cool, let's go... Yeah, I think we should put like one in the middle here, and then we'll actually look at this area. Yeah, actually, we'll fucking need one here. Right after these guys. And I'm going to put it like right there, just so we're looking further down the line. And I'll grab the area and bring that down. Some of these game dev YouTubers are such retards, it's unreal. I saw a guy release a screensaver where a bunch of squares do a preset Gmod dance and blame bad marketing for its failure. Yeah. I mean, I liked, like, you know, I didn't really, it's not like I'm some marketing guy or anything. I just liked the idea of this game because it's like, I just feel like it's kind of an evergreen concept. It's going to be, you know, fucking a typing game to help you improve your typing. So it's like, if you want something that doesn't suck, you can buy this for like $5 and learn how to type better. And, you know, I was actually really shitty at typing. I was really bad. I didn't know how to touch type for a long time as an adult, so... where in the fuck is the fucking interaction area for these fucking things? It makes no fucking sense. They make it so fucking... Alright. Interaction area right here. Alright, let me see the fucking... visibility. Why is it so... It's so hard to fucking see right now. What the fuck? Where's the actual area? That's so fucking crazy. Am I losing my mind here? Shouldn't there be like a actual fucking area 3D? Oh, I guess there's no collision object on them, is there? What the fuck? Am I retarded right now? How are these working? Doesn't there have to be a collision shape on these? There's no collision shape. How are they interacting? What the fuck? Am I retarded right now? What is going on? Did I move something major? The fuck did I just do? Was it not just working? Did I do something crazy? Or can we play that back? Am I insane here? What the fuck just happened? I didn't change any of the code that would affect that shit. Interesting. All I did was add the fucking start menu. I went to the project settings, input map. We added the escape button. What the fuck? Why are all the enemies activated? I don't know what the fuck is... Yeah, this makes no fucking sense. From start screen, we just start the level. We go to our level 1. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Hold on. Interaction area. If I go to this scene, yeah, we should have a collision shape. I don't know why the collision shape is not coming through. Debug color. We'll make it purple. There's something not coming through here. That's fucking crazy. All right. So they are there. Am I... But they're not here. If I say make local, is it there? Okay, so it is there. Alright, so I'm not losing my fucking mind. Well then why are they all running at once? What is going on? So I must have fucked something up. Let's see, what did I change? I changed something in the process. I did... Basically just did this. If I just get rid of all this, does that fix everything? That shouldn't. That wouldn't make any fucking sense, but you know what? No, it's like we're starting and the enemies are already in attack mode. There's enemies down there. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's... I know what's going on. It's because I've put my... I probably put my other area inside of their range, so it's interacting with their shit. That's probably what it is. Because I just made it to check collision areas, but I didn't make it to check like what it's actually hitting. So it could just be hitting the other one. So which one is that? Okay, yeah, so there's my fucking pink square and it's hitting that one, so I gotta move this back. I tried to make them a little more seeable, but apparently Godot just doesn't fucking like that shit. Area 3D, let's just get it out of here. So we got some flaws with my system. But other than that, it's a flawless system, and I'm pretty much better than everyone here. There we go. I fixed it. I'm cool again. That's how visible I want them to be in the fucking editor. Fucking Godot, man. I mean, how hard is that shit? So we'll probably do another one right there, have it look up at the centipede, and then when we get here... Man, we need to move where that one's looking at. Can I... Oh, I got rid of the pause thing. Yeah, and then we'll have another one probably around here that'll make you look at this guy. Or I guess we kind of... Well, shit, that's very dizzying. This game is best. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Reef path. Alright. So the system is semi-functional, and this is how far we are through the level, so... I guess the idea is the whole thing should take about like 5 minutes with enemy encounters, and then it'll tell you like how much you've missed. Winter storm incoming. Alright, so... Maybe I can make them a little bit better. Why? How can I... Oh, you know what I could do is just hide this. I really don't need to see that. If I just hide the plane, that's much easier. And then I need to fix the fucking interaction area. It just needs to be fucking fixed. Not that one. I need to fix the other one. And I'll explain why. Fucking piece of shit. These right here, we need to... I'm going to delete that one. Change the type to a node 3D, and then change this to a marker 3D, and then we need to get the where this is and not where this is, because this should stay just stagnant at the very beginning, and then we'll move this. So that's going to be a better thing for us to do. In the way that I'm trying to do it. So we're probably going to have to adjust the code. All we're doing is adding this to a group, and then I just have to select what child we're binding with in the game manager. So when we start the level, we initialize some shit right here. We're getting the child area entered. Get nodes in group. Is this still holding true? Let's print the marker. Is this still our marker? I don't think it will be, but we'll know immediately. No, it's not. Script inherits from marker. Oh. Alright, so general look at node 3D. Do we even get to that? Hold on. What the fuck? Let me go back to game manager. print nodes node. Oh, okay, so that should help us. General look at. So that's not going to be it. So we need let me go here, and I'm going to I think what I'm going to do is actually just make a we'll call this our area. We're just going to go var area 3D and yeah, can't we just set that equal to our area 3D right here? And can't we do at on ready? Perfect. So then we'll just reference this. So we'll say node.area.connect, and then we should be good if that works. And I'm going to print node.area. Let's try that. Awesome. So we did get a node.area3D printed right there. Cool. So what does that prove for us again? Awesome. I think that means that it should work again. Change look point. Okay, so we got to get to the first one and we'll see what it prints. I just got to see if the arguments it passes are the same. I doubt they are. It might fuck us up. I might have to redo it. Oh, that's right. The other one, it's all the way down there now because I got rid of the other one. Shit, sorry. Let me go back to level 1. 3D. And now I should be able to duplicate this. And I'm actually going to set its transform to 0. Make it local. And then I'll move my area 3D over here, and now I can move my marker independently and kind of like adjust where it's going to look at. So there we go. Let's go ahead, grab this area and put it closer to the start. Closer to the heart. Okay. And we'll put it there, and then we can actually test the fucking thing. Where's our marker? Nice. We basically want to be looking in this direction and a little bit up. So awesome. We're going to see what that looks like. This should tell us if it works or not. Five, 4, 3, 2. I don't think it worked. Yeah, I don't think it worked. Because we're not looking at shit. There was no collision there, so I don't think we're actually being connected. General look at game manager. Let's see, this should tell us down here. From object to object. Change look point. Cannot convert argument from argument to. Okay, so that's not a marker. Let's just see what the fuck it is. All right. We should be running into that that right there. So I am locked in. I can't move anymore. But what are we actually looking at? Oh, I guess it's because we're probably not getting the global position. fuck? Yeah, I bet it's because we're not getting the global position. I'm going to change that real quick. What is our marker? Oh shit, I didn't even check that. I bet we're looking at the wrong thing too. Is this still our marker? General look at, no. So we want to do that. We're not going to call this, we're going to call this look to. And it's a node 3D. So I knew we were going to have to do this at some point. I just was like, where the fuck is it? But now we've solved it. We've ascended. We're looks maxed. We've been smashing our face in, and now we're looks maxed. We need look to. All right. And then I have to make this marker. You fucking piece of shit right there. All right, there we go. At on ready var marker 3D equals marker 3D, a negative marker 3D. It's the nega marker. All right. That should work, right? Oh, no, it shouldn't. We'll go back. Look to marker, and then if I go here, player dot camera holder, look to object. Okay, so we do get the global position, so we should be okay. Let's see, we should look towards the worm if everything is going well. No, it's not. Everything's all fucked up. Is this still our marker? Marker 3D. So that is our marker now. If I go to the 3D, where is the actual marker? So we should be looking like right here. Oh, that's the interaction area. Let's hide that shit. Yeah, we should be looking like right there. We go to our game manager, update current fixation object, look to marker. Next state is staring. We had it. Is this still our marker? Marker 3D. Yeah, that is what we want. Update current fixation object. We go to our camera holder. Fucker. Where is it? Update current fixation object. Oh. Fixation point, right? Okay, yeah, same thing. Look to object. You put that in here. And then we also set the state to staring. So we're going to go to the staring state. Look at object. Awesome. That's what I thought it was. So we're going to have this be playing. Our current fixation object is right there. So that should be the marker 3D. Look at object from the cam holder. Let's take a look at that. Marker 3D right there. Free look is false. Top level is true. We can no longer move our mouse. I think I want to be hidden, actually. That global position, yeah. So I wonder, I did add some stuff in here, right? No. That's interesting. I'm going to move the marker around and see if that does some shit. Let's grab that marker. Where the fuck is it? Marker 3D. We're going to pull it up to the sky. So it does change our view once we hit that. I just don't know why it's pulling us. Maybe it was aiming where I thought it was. Yeah, I think it was. I think I'm just retarded. But why is it all of a sudden pointing us way down like that? Oh, I think it's just because of the angle of my descent. Because I don't really have anything to correct it back. Do I? Oh, I probably moved the other marker as well. No, we're looking way the fuck down. What the fuck? Change look at... Oh, because I changed this probably. Change look point. Does the interaction area use the same thing? I bet it does. Let me go back to my game manager. That'll tell me. On encounter started. If I control F that. Start encounter. Control F. Okay, so I think we're actually good there. Shit, man. What is going on? Why are we looking all over the fucking place now? Oh, you know what? Let me try something else. If I just look straight, I bet we're gonna be much more... I think it's because I normally looked up. No, we're... what is going on? I generally don't understand what the fuck is going on right now. Is it because this is This is in the middle of the fucking map. We're just gonna fucking delete this. I'm gonna bring this back over here. Make it local. Oh, you fucker. Make local. All we did was switch the fucking order of these. So I'm gonna bring this over here, and then the marker 3D will just look right at that fucking stone. Holy shit, that is so impossible to fucking see. Thank you, Godot. Very useful. If I go to the script, we're good. I want to save this branch as a scene and overwrite the other one I had. Alright, let's just try that. Nice. Alright, let's go to this fucking debug color and just turn it like way the fuck up. Geez, so we can actually fucking see the thing. Imagine that. It's still like half. This is like where it should be normally. Like this is where the fuck it should be. And then it's just like, whatever. Fuck you, Godot. Alright. And then we have a marker 3D. Right over there. Alright, so where is this in space? This is... why is it there? General look at. Oh, I think I want to put this back at 0, and then I want to move the marker. I'm going to try leaving that at 0. And then I'll move the marker. If everything's working well, we should be staring right at the face of the worm. If not, then I've made a mistake, and we probably have to change the code on where the camera's actually aiming. It shouldn't matter where I'm looking. It should snap me to... so it's actually not snapping me to anywhere. So I bet... something's fucked up somewhere. Or I never hit it. Oh, I probably moved this shit. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Fuck you, Godot. For real. Wait, did it move them? That one's at 1. This one's at 1. Marker 3D is over there. Area 3D is right there. Okay, we should hit the motherfucker. Insane. There it is. I see it. So yeah, we're looking at a position, but it's like way off from what we're supposed to be looking at. So I just don't understand what's up with that. And this is way off too. Ah, man. So I guess it must be something Let's take a look at the camera holder real quick. So we're using this, look at object. Oh, I did change this. I wonder if that has something to do with it. Let's see. I don't know. It shouldn't. Does that actually have something to do with it? I think we're actually looking where I told it to look. No, we're still way off. Why are we... I don't know what the fuck is going on. Let's go to the player. There's got to be something in here. I just want to see if we have a current fixation object. We should. Okay, so we don't have one. It's not equal to... Oh, so we do have one. All right. We are here. What happens if I do this? Fuck the global position. Oh, we just need a position. I gotta take a break in a minute. I'm gonna go cook some food, but then I'll probably be back to streaming later. I don't even know what I'm checking for anymore. I gotta grab some food and then I'll be back at it. But yeah, it was working. I definitely fucked something up in here. I'm not sure what it is. Because we apparently have what we're supposed to be looking at, which is the marker 3D. It's not really even like a complicated fucking ass system. We're supposed to be looking at that whenever we hit this, until we hit that, and then we look at the monster, and then we go back to... Oh, I bet we moved... I wonder if I'm a fucking idiot. So this one, where's my look to? No, it's still up at the worm. So what if I move it down a little bit? But the camera's still way the fuck off. I don't understand why that's going on. The player camera is like... I don't know. But yeah, I'll be back. Thanks for anyone for joining in. I'll be back with more shit. I'll have it figured out. I just got to go make some pasta or something because I'm fucking starving. And the winter cold is coming, so I don't want to be left without any food. But